Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn at Scholar. I am Geeta Khatri and here you will watch your chapter number 10, Practical Geometry. So what do you mean by practical? Using something practically. And what is geometry? Geometry is a field of mathematics that deals with size, shapes, dimensions and a variety of things we see in everyday life. You have learned how to construct different shapes like line segments, perpendicular lines, circles and so on. In this chapter, you will learn how to use different tools present in your geometry box to draw or to construct parallel lines and a few triangles. So, the branch of mathematics that deals with constructing different geometrical shapes using the tools given in your geometry box is called practical geometry because you are using these tools practically. These are some tools of geometry. A few of these tools you have already used in earlier classes and others you will learn to use in this chapter or in this video. I will tell you how to use these tools accurately, and if you want to pursue your career as an artist, architect, designer or in the field of modeling, or you want to become an engineer, then you have to learn geometry at this stage. Most of the things in your surroundings requires the knowledge of angles, triangles, how to construct them, how to draw them, how to cut them, how to make temples, how to make houses, how to construct buildings, how to draw the designs. This all knowledge is incorporated in the field of geometry and you will learn how to use this knowledge in practical geometry. So let's start the chapter. I hope you have already learned about lines, angles and triangles in chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. These are your basics for this chapter. You need to clear your basic and your concepts before watching this video. If you haven't watched those videos where I covered the chapter number 5 and chapter number 6, go in the description box. All the links are given there. You can click on the links and watch those videos. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand this chapter because this is based on the properties of parallel lines and the properties of triangles that are given in the two chapters you have already learned. These properties are covered in your textbook in chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. So first of all, we will construct a line parallel to the given line passing through the point not on the given line. You already know that parallel lines never meet. You can extend these lines to infinity, but they will never meet, right? So, should pass through this point which is not given on this line. This is the given line. You have to draw a parallel line passing through this point. This is a sheet of paper. Fold this paper like this, right? Now, this is a line. This is a line. This fold, this line is L. Now, take any point outside this line. This is point A. You can see. This is point A, right? And this is the line. I made the dotted line. So, now you will again fold the paper such that this point is covered, and now you are folding this paper like this. A straight fold like this. Yes. Okay. So now you will unfold and see that one line is drawn to the line L like this. So you will again form the dot. One line was this and another line is this. That means this line is perpendicular to this line. This line is L and this is the perpendicular line. You can name it as AN. One more fold. This is the point A You can see this is the point A. You can again fold the paper such that one perpendicular is drawn covering the point A. Like this. Understood? So, one line, two line, three line. This line is perpendicular to L and this line is perpendicular to AN. This point is N. You can see the point N. This is point A. This is perpendicular AN to this line L, and this is another perpendicular drawn to this perpendicular. Now this line is M. This is the required line which is parallel to the line L. Now L is parallel to M, or L and M are parallel lines. Now is it clear to you? This is the line M, this is the line L, this is the line AN, and now these both lines are parallel. Now can you tell me the property which helps you here to say that M is parallel to L? Can you guess? Now, if this is perpendicular to this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, right? You have learned in the properties of parallel lines that if a transverse line is passing through two parallel lines, then some angles are equal. Can you now guess? Yes, these both are corresponding angles. And this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree because this is perpendicular to this and this line AN is perpendicular to L. That means M line is perpendicular to AN and AN is perpendicular to L. So these both angles are 90 degree. That means these are equal and these are corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So you can say that the lines are parallel because corresponding angles are equal. Understood? Let us learn how to draw perpendicular using compass and ruler. This will help you to draw parallel lines. In future also, you need to draw a perpendicular to the given line using compass and ruler. So, it is better to learn it at this stage. With the same radius, taking the first point as center, cut this arc at A. With taking A as center with the same radius, cut the arc at B. We have two cuts now. With the same radius and center A, make a cut outside the first arc. Now take B as center and with the same radius, intersect the first cut at C. Now join the original point through C and draw a perpendicular line. So it was the method to draw the perpendicular to the given line using compass and ruler. Now the first arc was of 60 degree, the second arc was of 120 degree. So the middle line will be of 90 degree. Drawing parallel line, making use of equal alternate angle property of the triangle. The steps of construction are must. You have to write the steps of construction to get the full marks in exams. So the first step is take a line L and outside you will take a point A. Draw a line joining the point A to the line L at B. Now the third step is to draw an arc. You can take any convenient radius and draw an arc taking B as center. This is one angle ABC. So it is cutting L at C. We will take the same radius and with center A, we will make an arc EF, cutting AB. What are we doing? We are making an angle of same measurement. So we are taking the same radius. Now we will measure CD. This is an arc EF. Now measure CD. Taking the measurement of CD as radius, we will make an arc using G as center. In this way, we will get equal alternate angle. Now it is cutting EF at the point H. Now join AH and make a line parallel to L. The new line is named as M. Now L is parallel to M. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAH. These are alternate interior angles. These are equal and L is parallel to M. Now move to exercise 10.1. In the above construction, can you draw any other line through A that would be also parallel to the line L? You can see that a line is passing through A and it is parallel to L. Now, can you draw any other line through A? No. So, in this construction, no other line is possible that is parallel to L. Because through a point, only one line is possible that is parallel to the given line. Can you slightly modify the above construction to use the idea of equal corresponding angles instead of equal alternate angles? We have just seen how to draw equal alternate angles to draw the parallel lines. Now we will slightly modify the earlier construction to draw equal corresponding angles instead of equal alternate angles. So it is an angle that is already drawn. We will take BC as radius and then with point A, we will draw an arc that is outside AB. Earlier, we were drawing the arc that is cutting AB. Now we are drawing an arc that is outside AB. Now we will extend BA such that it meets the arc because corresponding angles are above and below while alternate angles are inside. Now we will measure this angle. For this, we will use the compass and put the point on C and pencil on D to measure CD. Like this. Then we will take this radius and put the point at G and cut this arc like this. This point is H. Now we will join AH and draw a line parallel to the given line. Now angle ABC is equal to angle HAG because we measured the angle ABC and drew the angle HAG. Both these are corresponding angles. We drew equal corresponding angles. to draw parallel lines. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. So, the lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. So, M is the required line and we used the idea of equal corresponding angles instead of equal alternate angles. Hope you all have understood this concept. If there is any query, any doubt, you can ask me on the WhatsApp number or you can mail me. My mail ID and WhatsApp number both are given in the description box. The first question of exercise 10.1 is the same as the example given in your textbook and explained earlier in this video. That means the idea of equal alternate angles. You can also make use of the idea of equal corresponding angles explained just now. 10.1 question number 2. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. So, first of all, we will draw the line, then choose a point P on this line L. We have to draw a perpendicular joining this point P on line L. First of all, we will draw an arc QR taking convenient radius. Any radius you can take. With P as center, we will draw an arc. We have to keep this radius. Now, with the same radius, we will put the point at R and we will make a cut on the arc QR. Remember, the radius is same. Now, this point is S. Place the pointer on S and draw another cut on arc QR with the same radius. This is point T. Now, we have 2 points S and T. We will take S as center, make an arc, T as center, cut this arc and we will get the point of intersection. Join this point of intersection and P and draw a line. This line is perpendicular to the given line L. The next step is to measure 4 cm in compass and cut the perpendicular at X, taking P as center. Now they are asking through X draw a line M parallel to L. So we will proceed with the next step. With PR as radius and X as center, draw an arc on PX draw at AB. Parallel line passing through X, the line should be parallel to L. We can make use of drawing a perpendicular to the perpendicular. I explained by folding the paper, you remember. Another way is to make use of the idea of equal alternate angles. Here we are making a perpendicular to line PX. With PR as radius and X as center, draw an arc PX on AB. Now with B as center, make a cut C at AB. With C as center, make another cut on AB. This cut is D. Taking C as center, make an arc outside AB. With D as center, cut this arc. The same procedure is repeated. Now the point of intersection and X are joined and extended to draw a parallel line M. Now PX is perpendicular to L and this line is perpendicular to PX. That means perpendicular to the line is parallel to the given line. That means you can see that both angles are of 90 degree. That means corresponding angles are equal. Angle RPU is equal to 90 degree. Angle AXV is equal to 90 degree. Both angles are equal. M is perpendicular to PX. PX is perpendicular to L. If you write the language and steps of construction, the examiner or the checker will get to know that you have the knowledge and you have understood the concepts well. So you will get full marks. You can also see that the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transverse is equal to 180 degree. That means 90 degree plus 90 degree. That means the lines are parallel. Both the things are matching. Let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. First of all, draw a line L. We are drawing a perpendicular to the perpendicular as we did in the last question to draw a parallel line passing through the given point P. So, we are repeating the same steps. That's why I am not writing again the steps of construction. You can write them yourself by going through the last question. this line is parallel to L. This line is M. They are saying join P to any point Q on L. I have chosen Q on the line L and I have joined P and Q to make a line. Choose any other point R on M. Through R, we have to draw a line parallel to PQ. So, we will first extend the line L so that we can draw the parallel line parallel to PQ. So, we will first draw an angle at P. Now, this is the transversal M to the two parallel lines PQ and RS. We are going to draw. With the same radius, we will make an arc at R. Now we will measure the angle as distance UV. With this distance, we will make a cut taking B as center. On this RAB, we have made a cut. Distance was UV, that means the measurement of the angle. We will now draw a line passing through this cut, meeting L at S. So, this is a line RS which is parallel to PQ. We have made use of the idea of equal corresponding angles to make a parallel line to PQ. Now, the two angles are corresponding angles, they are equal, so the lines are parallel. So, the opposite lines are parallel. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. Line PQ is parallel to RS. Line L is parallel to M. Students, keep in mind one thing. You need to clear all your basics you have read in chapter 5, 6 and 7, congruence of triangle, chapter number 7. This is a test of your memory, of your understanding of the concepts. If you have read all the properties of triangles, parallel lines, congruence of triangles, then you will be able to solve questions given in this lesson. Before proceeding, you have to recall all the properties. I am telling you a few properties of triangles. You know that the measurement of the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of two opposite interior angles. Right? First property. Second property. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Third property. Now, fourth property. In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse of the triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is the fourth property. Now, let us recall the main points of the lesson on congruence of triangles. Number 1, we can draw the triangle if one of these sets are given, like the measurement of three sides of the triangle. If the measurement of the three sides of a triangle is given, then we can draw the triangle. If the measurements of two sides and the angle between the two sides are given, then we can draw the triangle. Third, if the measurements of two angles and the side between them are given, then we can draw the triangle. In the case of right angle triangle, the measurement of hypotenuse and one leg of the right angle triangle is given, then we can draw the triangle. Now we are using these criteria or these properties of triangles to construct a triangle using the ruler, pencil, eraser and compass. The first one is SSS criteria, that means side, side, side. If the three sides of a triangle is given, how will you draw the triangle using the compass and the ruler? First of all, we will draw the rough sketch of the triangle if the three sides are given. The length of the three sides are as follows: AB, BC, AC. Now we will draw the rough sketch like this. 5, 6 and 7. This is 7, this is 5 and this is 6. 6 is the base. This is the rough sketch. Now we will attempt to draw this triangle using ruler and compass. Let's see. Now we are going to draw one triangle with SSS criteria, that means the three sides are given. AB, BC, AC. 5, 6 and 7 centimeter respectively. First of all, we will draw the rough sketch like this. A, B, C. BC is 6 centimeter, AC 7 centimeter and AB 5 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch. Now we will draw it finally. The second step is to take a radius of 5 centimeter. So I am measuring it using the compass and the ruler. This is 5 centimeter. With this radius, keeping on the first point, we will draw one arc outside this line. Like, we have to get the point A on this arc because the line we have drawn is BC and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the point A. So now we will take the radius 7 centimeter. Measuring 7 centimeter using a ruler and a compass. This is 7 centimeter. As AC is 7 centimeter and AB is 5 centimeter, so we will cut this arc like this and this point of intersection is A. We will join AB and AC. BC is 6 centimeter. You can measure it after drawing. If you find any discrepancy, then you can draw it again because you will get numbers only and only if the measurements are accurate. So you can check after drawing whether they are to the point or not. If not, you can redraw. All are right. Now one assignment for you. Draw triangle DEF with measurement DE, EF and DF. All the measurements are given. You have to draw the triangle, cut the triangle and put the triangle on the triangle ABC. And record your observation. You have to share your observation in the comment section or on WhatsApp. There is one question in your textbook where the measurements are given. You have to find out whether this triangle is possible or not. If you know all the characteristics or features of the triangle or the rules of the triangle, you can easily say whether the triangle is possible or not. If the three sides are given, you know that the sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So, the three measurements are 6, 3 and 2. So, is the triangle possible? The answer is no. Because if we add 3 and 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 is less than 6. That means the sum of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That means the triangle is not possible. If you get these type of question in exams, you have to write the explanation. In the same manner, you can draw the triangle DEF. DE, EF, DF. The three sides are given 5, 6 and 7. Now you have to draw the triangle, cut the triangle and put it on triangle ABC. What will you observe? Draw the triangle, cut the triangle and observe yourself and tell me your observation. Now move to exercise 10.2. Finally, exercise 10.2. Construct triangle XYZ in which the three sides are given as XY, YZ and ZX. 4.5, 5 and 6 respectively. So, we will draw first the rough sketch. First of all, we will draw 5 cm YZ using the ruler. I am writing the steps of construction. You will get similar questions in exams. You have to name the points and then write the steps of construction one by one. As you are drawing, you can write them in sequence. The second step is to take the compass and measure a radius of 4.5 centimeter using ruler. We have to make an arc of 4.5 centimeter keeping the compass point at Y because now we are drawing XY. So we have to get the point X. This point X lies somewhere on this arc. When we draw another arc, keeping the center at Z, we will get the point X. I am again measuring 4.5 centimeter and I am increasing this arc so that I can get the point of intersection. Yes. Now this is x. We will join xy and xz to get the triangle xyz. You can measure the triangle and find out if the measurements are accurate or not. Second question is to construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Each side is 5.5 centimeter. Draw a line BC 5.5. Measure this line in compass using compass and make one arc taking C as center, another arc taking B as center. The point of intersection is A. This is an equilateral triangle, so the three sides are equal and each measure 5.5 centimeter. Join AB and AC. The triangle is ready. Draw triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, QR 3.5 and PR 4 centimeter. What type of triangle is this? Here you can see that PQ is equal to PR. That means both are 4 centimeter. And if the two sides of a triangle are equal, then what type of triangle is it? Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. So if this question you get in exam and this question is of 4 marks and you write all these given and the type of triangle, you will get 2 marks. After drawing the triangle using compass and ruler and writing the steps of construction, you will get full marks, 4 out of 4. With the condition that the measurement of all the 3 sides are accurate. Draw QR 3.5 centimeter. Do not forget to draw a rough sketch before beginning the real construction using compass and ruler. Taking 4 centimeter radius, we will draw an arc taking R as center. With the same radius, cut this arc and get the point of intersection. If the arcs are not complete, you can extend the arcs like this. So you will get the point of intersection P. Line was QR. So now we will join PQ and PR. QR measure 3.5, PQ is 4 cm, PR is 4 cm. The triangle is complete. Two sides are equal. Now fourth. Construct triangle ABC such that AB, BC and AC are 2.5, 6 cm and 6.5 cm respectively. In the end, we have to measure the angle B. So first of all, we will write what is given in the question. Making triangles is very easy using compass and ruler, right? Drawing the rough sketch, we will get this type of triangle, where BC is 6 cm, AC is 6.5 and AB is 2.5. So we will start with drawing BC 6 cm. First step of construction is draw a line BC measuring 6 cm. With radius 2.5 cm, make an arc outside BC, taking B as center. With C as center, cut the previous arc at A with radius 6.5 cm. This point of intersection is, yes, A. So now we will join AB and AC to get the triangle ABC. Now the last step. Yes, we have to measure the angle B. We will use the protractor for this. Adjusting the protractor, we get angle B as 90 degree. That means it is a right angled triangle. Your exercise 10.2 is complete. You can get a number of questions on internet. Practice a lot. Score the best marks in exams. Now we will summarize whatever we have learned till now. The three procedures we have learned till now to draw parallel lines are by drawing perpendiculars, second by drawing equal alternate interior angles, third by drawing equal corresponding angles. Right? This completes your exercises 10.1 and 10.2. Exercises 10.3, 10.4 and 10.5 are given in separate videos. Links are given in the description box. To stay tuned, subscribe the channel, hit the bell and do not forget to press all so that you receive notification whenever I upload the video. So we will meet with the next video. Till then, bye bye.